this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is install GarageBand app. It looks just like this. You can download it from the App Store for free. The second thing you'll need is the song that you want to set as a ringtone. I have mine set in my Files app. As you can see, it's called All That. So once you have all of this prepared, you can now go to your GarageBand, tap and hold on it, and then click on Create New Audio Recording. And then it's going to rotate your phone. So now in this view, click on the tracks icon right here. Once you click on it, it's going to switch to track view. Click on the loop icon here. This will allow you to select a song to put in this. So select the files from the top here, and it might lag a little bit. So now if you see the song that you need, just tap and hold on it. If you don't, just click on Browse Items from the Files app at the bottom here, and then click on the song that you need. And once you have it, you can now drag and hold on it, just move it around until it appears here, put it on the top track, and then you can pinch in just to see how long the song is. And so now what you need to do, just click on the arrow here, and then click on My Songs. And it's going to load. So this is going to be your song. Tap and hold on that song that you just created. You can rename it if you want, but you don't have to. Click on Share, and then click on Ringtone. It's going to tell you that it needs to be adjusted to 30 seconds or less. You can just click Continue because the app automatically does that for you. So now just name the ringtone. So I'm going to name it All That. Done. And then you can click Export at the top right. And then click on Use Sound As. And then you can just select Standard Ringtone if you just want it as a ringtone. Or if you want it to be a text tone or a specific contact, you can do that. I'm going to just select Standard Ringtone. And that's about it. So it should be set as a ringtone now. So if you exit out of here, and let's go back here. If I switch to this, let's go to Settings. And if you go to Sounds and Haptics right here, ringtone, as you can see, All That is selected. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.